Welcome back, everybody. Today we're going to do a quick brake bleed on my Yeti. These are code RSCs. So it's real quick, painless. If you have the Avid kit, or the SRAM kit now, it comes with everything that you need. Syringes, blocks, all sorts of stuff. First things first, we'll take all the tires off, or the wheels off. Take the pads out, put them somewhere safe. Set the wheels aside, put them somewhere safe. In the event that something comes off, we're not going to contaminate them. We are using DOT 5.1 brake fluid, so it's kind of corrosive, so we want to keep things pretty clean. It's real quick. I haven't done this in about a year, so it's time to do it. It's basic bike maintenance. So a lot of you have gotten into mountain biking recently. There's certain things that you can do incrementally, so you don't have to do a full overhaul all the time, and it keeps your bike running smooth. So brakes are one of those things. Especially since I just got back from a mountain bike trip, and yeah, some of it was a little bit steep, so brakes got a little hot, so they probably cooked a little bit. So try to get through this because it's about 100 degrees in my shop right now, so stick around.
That's right.
There's a number 4 Allen bolt in here. Just loosen it up. And this just back in just a hair. This can just let this part loosen it up. So we just jam this in there. Maybe. There we go. And we're going to open that up about a turn, no more than that. Then now that that's all done, we'll just tighten up the back end here. Pull the syringe out. Snug up your little 4-way Allen, or 4mm Allen key. It's like 1.5 Newton meters. Find our little rubber O grommet, or rubber plug. Stick that back in there. Now pressurize this, you cycle it a couple times. Pull it in and out after that's closed, and you can pressurize it. There's going to be a little bit of oil that comes out of here, that's why I have this rag here. Some isopropyl alcohol or brake cleaner. I prefer isopropyl alcohol just because I don't know what the brake cleaner is going to do to some other parts of the bike. So get that. Like I said, there'll be some oil. Get your little screw head here. Again, doesn't have to be very tight, 1.5, 1.7. Click. Want to clean that up fairly quick as possible, just so it doesn't start to corrode everything. Then we're going to put our handlebar brake levers back. Plug. Install our wheel. Well, there you have it. Pretty easy to do. Now you just do the same thing on the front one, which is a little bit easier because you're pretty close by it. So anyways, thanks for watching. If you haven't already, hit the like button, subscribe please, and go create a great day. Get out there, ready to bike. Bye.